Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 20, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. 5th grade. 5 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Column E, column F, we have pair numbers 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 4. 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 6, 9. 2nd grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. 4th row, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. Column E, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th grade, only 1 numbers are remaining. 4 is confirmed here. Seventh row, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 5, 7. Column C, column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 7. 6th grade, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 6, 8. 5th row, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 numbers are remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 4. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, 4 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 5, 7. 3rd grade, we have 7. Column C also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 5. Column C, column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, 9th row, we have pair numbers 217. So 217 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column D, we have 7. 9th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 8th row and 9th row we have 2. Column C also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 9. 8th row and 10th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 6. 7th grade, we have 4. 3rd row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in any other 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C and 2nd row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column I, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 8, 9. 9th row we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 2nd row we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 3rd grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 2nd row and 8th row and 9th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, we have 4. 8th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Eighth row, 6 will come in any one of the cells. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 3rd grade, only 1 numbers are remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 7th grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column B, only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Column C, only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. First grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. column D, only one number remaining, 5, 5 is confirmed here. 8th row, only one number remaining, 6, 6 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.